From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. The river flood warnings do continue for the Wateree and the Congaree, but at this point, it's only minor flooding. We'll start off in the tropics where the salt water is over towards the Gulf of Mexico. National Hurricane Center gives us a very small chance of further development over the next 7 days. The good news is it's going to stay away from us here in the Carolinas. You can kind of see that low there. This would be Tuesday. This, according to the European forecast model, a cold front kind of moves through and keeps that system away from us in South Carolina and North Carolina, but it may impact the peninsula of Florida. This is Hurricane Kirk, a major hurricane, expected to get a little bit stronger, stay away from the continental United States, and Tropical Storm Leslie, our latest named storm, it too should stay away from the continental United States. So we've had 12 storms, 7 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes at this point. It's been a pretty busy hurricane season, obviously. Pollen still in this medium range, and it's the weeds and ragweeds and that sort of thing that's causing some of us some seasonal allergy issues. Yesterday we managed to make it up to 86 degrees above our normal of 81, but no record. It was just kind of warm out there yesterday. It's going to be warm today under partly cloudy skies. As we do look ahead towards tonight, partly cloudy, and then clouds will start to increase tomorrow. Our forecast model tries to show a small chance for maybe a stray shower. We'll make a verbal mention of that for Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Once again, we're not expecting much in the way of rainfall. Matter of fact, over the next 7 days, Weather Prediction Center showing absolutely nothing for the majority of South Carolina, with maybe a trace of rain up towards the extreme northwestern part of the upstate. Low to mid 80s for daytime highs, a breeze coming out of the east at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Partly cloudy tonight with lows dropping down into the middle 60s, about where we were this morning. If you are going to the South Carolina Ole Miss game, kick off a little after 3:30. Tailgating looking pretty good as these temperatures will be warming up. Around noon, you're talking temperatures around 80 degrees with a kickoff temperature in the mid 80s, mainly sunny. A little bit of a breeze coming out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. A few more clouds on Sunday, a little bit warmer on Monday, but then as we do look ahead towards Tuesday, Wednesday, cooler air will spill into the area. Low 80s on Tuesday. Wednesday, which is the first day of the South Carolina State Fair, we're expecting highs in the mid to upper 70s, so it is going to feel like fall, it looks like, next week. Moderate risk for some rip current issues along at least parts of the coastal region, so if you are heading to the beach over the next few days, keep that in mind. But Myrtle Beach, Saturday, Sunday, upper 70s, low 80s, looks like a great beach weekend. Charleston, near 80 degrees on Sunday, low 80s on Saturday, and in the upstate, Greenville, low 80s both Saturday and Sunday, probably a few more clouds tomorrow. We do expect drier than normal conditions for a large part of South Carolina in our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. And during that same time frame, October 10th through October 16th, slightly cooler than normal conditions. Those fall colors are starting to spread southward. For us here, South Carolina and the Midlands, it's early to mid-November. Although if you look closely, you can start to see some of those colors popping out, at least for parts of our area. Our holiday countdown does continue. We're 28 days from Halloween. We're 56 days from Thanksgiving. My personal favorite, Veterans Day, 39 days away, and Election Day, 33 days from today. And as always, you can follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great Thursday.